everybody, and welcome to this week's assembly. It's me, Mr. Hodkin. I'm here at the beginning of a new month to welcome you to our sharing assembly this week. Again, we have been so impressed by everybody that's been doing their online learning. The response from all of you at home, families, the children, everybody has just been amazing. It's remarkable the attendance we've been having. So I suppose I'll start by just saying a huge well done. Keep working hard, we're constantly impressed. Having said that, we know that times are tricky and it's not easy for everyone at home at the moment, but please rest assured, if there's anything we can do to help, please reach out to us and let us know, and we'll try our best to support you as best we can at home. In this week's assembly, we're going to be talking all about Child Mental Health Week. This year's theme is about expressing yourself, so we're going to have lots of examples of the children expressing themselves. Expressing yourself is about finding ways to share feelings, thoughts, or ideas through creativity. This could be through art, music, writing and poetry, dance and drama, photography and film, and doing activities that just make you feel good. So, on that theme, we spoke to some of our Year 5 children to find out how they've been expressing themselves. We're going to see the Year 5s twice, once in Forest School, and then the first time is them in school. So, over to the Year 5s now.
We are talking about mental health and what it means. Mental health doesn't affect some people, it affects all of us.
It's hard for all of us in different ways.
We want to talk about some challenges and some things that will make people better.
Here are some tips to help
someone.
Meditation, alone time,
And
talk.
some advice.
No.
Here are some tips for good mental health.
Meditation,
Alone time.
And talk to someone for good advice.
I'll go to my room and just want some alone time and meditate. Then when it's super quiet, I'll go outside and say hi to everyone and feel like it's a brand new day. That's
So
it.
like, if I'm not happy with someone and like I get upset, like really, I get frustrated at someone, and then when you have like 5-10 minutes after, you feel calm, you feel relaxed, you want to go to the person that you are angry at, but you feel kind of shy because the person's gonna think that you like, why were you getting angry for? Like, it happens sometimes.
When I have a tricky time, it makes me feel better to tell someone like how I feel, and then it just helps me, and then they give some like advice what I could do, and it helps me to cope with the situation.
Like, you should always be nice to the person because you don't know what they're going through and stuff like that.
What you do good will come back to you. It always does.
Oh yeah, it's so true.
You meet someone, you think you're not going to be their friend, and then it just
reason-
changes. It changes. The world brings surprises.
So when I first started Year 5, I only had one friend from my old class, and because in Year 5 there's different people from other not year groups, but like
Classes.
from different classes that join your class when you start Year 5.
After COVID, just out of nowhere, we go into the same class, we merge, and then we get to know each other more and become friends.
We were playing like every single day, like,
Never stopping.
non-stop. Like, sometimes we have arguments.
But then
Like,
the next day,
we're fine.
And then, so when I started getting used to Year 5, I met other people, and they became like my best friends and stuff. And then I had new friends, and that actually made me feel really good.
But one thing,
we can't abandon each other.
we can't abandon each other. Like, we need to be together. Like, we were best friends. This shows that we can be friends with anyone, and yeah.
You only live once. You're gonna have a time of your life. Enjoy it. Don't let it go to waste. You're like,
Oh yeah, we can go out today.
enjoy the time you have.
Year 5s, what lovely reflections. I didn't know you had it in you. I didn't see any of that last year at all. No, I'm joking, of course. It was really lovely to hear you talking about some of the things you can do. And also, I completely agree that when times are hard, you do kind of draw on your friends more. You realise the important things in life, and I think it's really lovely and mature and grown up of you to discuss those things in such a brilliant way. So really lovely to hear, Year 5s. It's important as well that we, you know, as the Year 5s has demonstrated, we don't have to pretend that everything's okay all the time. It's fine to reach out and say, oh, I'm not feeling great at the moment. You can also try and do little things that make you feel better. So whether that's going for a walk, we've been talking loads with the Year 3s just about keeping healthy, and that can be about keeping your body healthy, but also keeping your mind healthy. So doing things you enjoy, little things that can make you feel happy. We need to do them just to keep our minds as happy as we can do, especially when, like I say, things are a bit difficult. So whether it's a conversation, taking time for yourself, going for a walk in the park, making sure you stay healthy, or even just connecting with a friend in whatever way you can do, it's important we try to help ourselves and each other. Together, we are strong. Okay, now time for our stars of the week. You can do a little drum roll at home if you want to. All right, in Little Park, we have Liv, Yusra, and Asia. Well done to all three of our Little Park stars. In reception, we have Eleni, Arsha, and Mohammed. Well done, all three of you guys. In Year 1, we have Mohammed, Talha, and Tamara. And then finally in Year 2, well done to Rona, Rebecca, and Taylor. Brilliant stuff. Well done, everybody. We're now going to go back to our Year 5s, but this time they're in a different location. They've decided to go over to Forest School. Now, we're really lucky. The location of our school, even though we have a small playground, we have a wonderful park with lots of little mini forests going on in there. And that gives us the opportunity to get out and about and to really help to bathe in the wonderful forest area we have and kind of recharge our batteries. It's a really important thing to do, is to get out and about. And it's really lovely to see our Year 5s out there enjoying that and benefiting from all the wonderful things they can in West Ham Park.
But this time in real life, because we have different rooms, we have different tasks, and this time we can scan, this time with the rubbish, this time with the electrical, this time we have beds. Yes. So we have 10 fossils in here that you need to find. Let's go!
Okay, you do that. Thank you. Yes! It's so hard. Wait, I think something's here. It's hard. Look, the soil is hard.
No! What? You look so. You so sick. I just said I accidentally said
Okay, the next one. I'll tell you also in year 6, 9. I already know my 12. 15. I know this.
So call an emergency meeting. Call an emergency meeting.
So we're playing Among Us in actual real life. So what we're gonna do now, someone put an emergency meeting, so we have to go there. And when someone puts an emergency meeting, we have to see what they think, who they think is Among Us.
Get off this shit.
Zane, put your imposter. Yeah!
What is that? Is that a fossil? So over here there's hidden fossils, and so we have to dig with the spade to find fossils, and there's 10 fossils, and we have to put it in a metal tin, and then and they're in around this bit, and that's why the strings around it. So that's why what we have to do. That's one of the tasks for playing Among Us. Is it me?
Well, I didn't know that if you were.
Well, it's not me. It is. That's what an imposter would say. Get him out of here.
So basically, they're all over there. All the imposters, all crewmate, and they're they're doing the sabotage timetable, and I don't know what that is exactly, but yeah, they're doing it. And
Yeah. I got 2 imposters out because I knew who they were,
Or maybe a new imposter.
I am not imposter.
So that's what we're doing.
Oh my gosh.
Just turn the ball.
Dig, bro. Whatever your name is. Yeah, just leave it. I think it's Maisie or Hadra. I think Hadra. We should
Who's been acting the same? Or Hedra?
or
Maisie? Or we skip? So, hands up. Who wants to skip? Who wants to eject? Ishmael.
Yeah. I
One
think it's Ishmael.
and 2. Hands up. Who wants to eject?
Missili's doing the scan.
That's what?
Missili doing the scan. Missili doing the scan. Missili doing the scan.
You just have to touch the unit. It can go above your head. It'll help you with your weight.
Oh. You know what? Let's just go somewhere else. Let's just go somewhere else, sir. Come on. Yeah. Oh, Zane.
What did Zane do?
He's sabotaging. He's sabotaging everything.
Everyone.
I'm glad you saw saw our assembly. Bye. Bye.
Great, thanks Year 5s. Now, here's something I didn't think I'd ever hear myself saying. I'm now going to hand over to the Duchess of Cambridge.
This year's Children's Mental Health Week is all about expressing yourself. That's finding creative ways in which to share your thoughts, ideas and feelings. So whether that's through photography, through art, through drama, through music or poetry, it's finding those things that make you feel good about yourself. And whilst this is Children's Mental Health Week, there has never been a more important time to talk about parental well-being and mental health too. Last year, you told me just how important this was, but many of us find it hard to prioritise. This is a hugely challenging time for us all, so please look after yourself too. Find those ways in which to share your thoughts and your feelings, or find someone to talk to. Because we really do need to be the very best versions of ourselves for the children in our care.
Okay everybody, welcome back. Now it's time to see some of our amazing home learning. Whilst you've been obviously all doing your online lessons and things, there are some really, really lovely examples here of people that are going above and beyond and that are really pushing themselves to do some amazing things. Please remember, if you get the opportunity, you can submit your blended learning, your home learning to blended.learning@park.newham.sch.uk. I think I remember that correctly. Let's see some of those examples now.
What's your restaurant called?
My restaurant is called Food Palace.
Levi's Food Palace.
Yeah.
Woo!
You're the silver confidence that I celebrate on. And if you get to choose, we're gonna make a list from biggest to small. You're an angel of the God, moving South America, and talking to you. Finally Australia, angel of the God, moving South America. And I just love you.
Okay, and finally now, I'm sure some of you have been waiting for this, our stars from Key Stage 2. So well done in Year 3 to Woody, Ishak and Danielis. In Year 4, well done Anmol, well done Nicole, and well done Mariam Begum. In Year 5, well done to Tiana and Amira. And then finally in Year 6, well done Maksuda, Ishak and Arjav. Well done to all our stars this week. And that's the end of our assembly this week. So it just leaves me to say, have a great weekend and keep on making us proud.